Today, we're learning how to export videos in Filmora so you can save and share your final project in the best quality. Let's jump right in. Once you've finished editing, click on the Export button at the top. This will open the Export window where you'll see different export options. In the Local tab, you can save the video to your computer in formats like MP4, MOV, and AVI. The Device tab lets you export videos optimized for phones, tablets, and game consoles. The YouTube/Vimeo tab allows you to upload directly to these platforms, and the DVD tab lets you burn your video to a DVD. First, enter the name of your video and choose the Save to location where you want to store it. Next, select a preset to match your desired quality settings. Under the Format section, MP4 is the best option for most users. Now, adjust the quality based on your needs. Higher quality gives better results but increases file size. Choose the frame rate to match your original video, usually 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second for smooth playback. If you need more control, click Settings to customize the bitrate and encoder. Once everything is set, click Export and let Filmora process your video. And that's it. Now you know how to export videos in Filmora with the best settings. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.